special day dito sa inyong favorite show dahil meron tayong special guest na talaga namang mapapa-excite sa ating lahat. Kaya naman, handa na ba kayong malaman kung sino-sino sila? Tutok lang sa nag-iisang show kung saan kayo ang numero 1. Ako si Bianca Gonzalez at close tayo sa TFC Connect. At mga kabonding, our very, very special guests are here. 6th, 5th, and 4th big placer ng Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010. Kasama natin sina Brett, Ivan, and Devon! Yay! Hi!
Hello po.
Hi! First part of the Big Six. Greet everyone watching around the world right now.
Hello, TFC viewers.
Hello po. Kumusta yung buhay pagkatapos ng experience niyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Let's start with Devon.
Naninibago po kasi for 3 months nasa loob kami ng bahay. So, pero happy and super fun.
How are you adjusting, Ivan, to this new life na everywhere you go, people are calling your name?
Masaya po kasi it's nice having people always say hi to me and be friendly. So it's really easy to be friendly and nice back.
How about in terms of schedule? Siyempre, busy kayo ngayon, dami niyong ginagawa for guesting and all these other things about work. How are you handling yung hectic life? You were.
Actually, it's not really as hectic as I thought it would be. Like, I was thinking it'd be really, like, all the time going, but I'm really just enjoying work. It doesn't seem like we're guesting and everything. This is just really fun. I'm glad to be here.
And then, kasi inside the house, dahil nga dun sa task ng mom niyo, you were given a scholarship. So, anong plano mo? Do you plan to go back to school kaagad? Di ba balance mo yun with work? Or...
Ngayon po, magta-try muna po kung ano yung mga opportunity na darating. Then, titignan ko po kung saan po ako dito. And, after that, magpo-focus na siguro po ako sa studies and maybe we can
How about you, Ivan? Actually, ang pinaka-napansin ko kay Ivan, sa lahat nung lumabas dun sa chair, nung big night, si Ivan yung pinaka-shock talaga. You had your face was talagang priceless moment. You couldn't believe. Why? What was going through your head?
I didn't expect, hindi ko expect maraming tao. I mean, I knew people were watching, pero I don't know, that many people.
Congratulations, because of course you won the challenge for being a mixed DJ. How excited are you for that?
Beyond excited. I can't wait to start my new job. Dream job.
Wow, dream job. Dati mo pa ba gusto if ever?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I used to watch Mix every day, and just watching it on TV, never thought we'd be on this part right now.
Who's your favorite DJ?
VJ Bianca, VJ, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, girl. So, you will be the, hopefully, this stint goes well for you para if ever ma-extend yung contract mo, diba? Okay, how about showbiz plans? Si Brett nga will be a mixed DJ. What else do you want to be? Do you want to be
Actually,
acting
I'm going to
or...
be in Star Records also.
Wow!
Music and everything.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Daghang salamat sa mga Cebu, mga Cebuanos na nasuporta namo. Thank you so much talaga sa inyo. Lalo na po, thank you so much sa mga Debonaires, Pillar of Security Casaverde, and lalo na po sa local and global gen. Thank you so much po si Ate Margie. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Daghang salamat sa tanan. Thank you very much to everyone. Love you all.
Hello tayo sa TFC Connect. It is now time for our